can feel like a shadow looming over your financial dreams. But what if I told you that becoming debt-free is within your reach? Step 1. Assess your debt. Know what you owe. List all your debts, from credit cards to loans, including interest rates and due dates. Step 2. Prioritize. Tackle high-interest debt first or start with small debt for quick wins. Step 3. Create a payment plan. Budget for debt payments like any other essential expenses. Step 4. Cut unnecessary expenses. Accelerate your journey to being debt-free. Step 5. Consider a side hustle. Extra income can be a game changer in paying down debt faster. Remember, overcoming debt isn't just about regaining financial freedom. It's about reclaiming your peace of mind. Feeling overwhelmed by debt? You're not alone. Share your story or drop a question below. Let's tackle this together and pave the way to a debt-free life.